how to fix Roblox thinking you're on mobile when you're actually using a PC. So what we're going to do is we're gonna open up our computer search, and here we will search for services. You want to open up this system option. Just click on it, left click on it, and you should load a list like this. Here what we're going to do is we're gonna click anywhere and type W. So we find the Windows settings here, and we want to find Windows Pen and Ink. So if you have it here, it should be under P, so Windows Pen and Ink. I don't have it on this PC, but I'm going to show you the process. So for example, we're going to pretend like this is Windows Pen and Ink. You want to right click on it and then go to Properties. Here we will go to the startup type, just click on it, and we will disable it. So click on Disabled, click on Apply, OK, and then restart your PC and see if that works. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.